Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today is a very beautiful day because today I received the last packet from the delivery company that I'm waiting for her to arrive. And this is the last part of my ultimate gaming PC build. So let's unpack this component and start the video. Let's begin. Okay, unpacking. Ta-da! Core i9. This is my CPU. The CPU is Core i9 4900 KS. Now it's time to show you the rest of the parts of my build. So come on, let's go. Here you can see all the parts of my new gaming ultimate PC build. So come on, let's get start the build. Now it's a great time to say goodbye to my old PC, my old system, and I only say goodbye for now because I have another project for this PC. So let's shut down and unplug the system. Goodbye, my friend. So another thing that I ordered for this build is from company name Ugreen. It's a DisplayPort cable because the cable that I have here is too short for this build. So I unplug the cable and let's connect this. By the way, this is an ASUS gaming monitor. It can do up to 170 Hz. It's a 2K panel, 140p, great monitor. By the way, I forget to say it's a 27-inch monitor. Okay, so this is my motherboard, TUF Gaming B760M Plus. Let's unpack this. So this is very cool motherboard because the CPU, 4 slot for the RAM. I'm gonna use only two, this one and this one. Two places for the NVMe drives. It's a Gen 4, both of them, and then the PCI Express. So this is the AIO of the motherboard, the USB, DisplayPort, HDMI, 2.5 giga Ethernet connection, very cool, and SPDIF out. This is very important for me because I using this kind of cable to my system, sound system. It's optic, it's very great. So now it's the time to put the CPU in the motherboard. So of course my CPU is Core i9 14900KS. This is crazy CPU. Let's install it. So first of all, need to undo this, open this, take in the pins, all the pins. All right, looking good. Okay, so my orientation is left and left corner down here. Okay. Put it like this, very carefully. As you can see, it's very nice in the CPU socket. No problems. I can continue now. So now I curious. I don't know if I will receive to close this because I'm going to install it. Attic cooler AIO, and it comes with the contact plate for the CPU. So let's continue. I don't close this. Let's continue with the RAM. Okay, so for the RAM for this PC, I go with Corsair Vengeance DDR5. This is the speed. This is crazy. 2 sticks of each stick is 16 gigabyte. CL 40, no, excuse me, CL 34, 42. Let's open this and install. Okay. That was fun. And another one. I don't remember if I told you, but this video is not sponsored. All the parts I buy from my own money. But I want to show you something. When I go back to put all these things together, you have a user manual and a little sticker. Intel Core i9. You can put this sticker on your PC case. In my case, I don't have a PC case, but you will see in the later in the video when I'm gonna put all these parts. Now what I need to do is put this out the way and actually take the cooler that I have for this build. It's Arctic 420 millimeter liquid freezer Mark III, and I actually need to open this because inside I have the contact plate that I need to replace on the motherboard. This is the contact plate. It comes with the cooler, and I need to install it on the motherboard. But also I need the tools. Okay, this is the tool, and this is the thermal paste MX6. I need to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 screws from the motherboard. Let's go. This is how it looks without the CPU bracket. Very funny. And this is Philips. Okay, not the problem. The screws is not a problem. I always have this kit with me. Electric screwdriver and all the bits. This is the Philips. Put it here. Looks very nice. 1 second. What do you think? Beautiful? Yeah, beautiful. So this is the back of the motherboard. I use the same plate holder that was on the motherboard. Okay, just want to show you this. Now it's a good time to unscrew the screws and place the SSD in my new system. And just remove this. I'm gonna take my SSD NVMe Samsung, put it right here, right there, and lock it in his place. Okay, I'm going to show you right now. This is how it looks. I really like this clips. Okay, now I need to put this back. I don't remove the peel because I'm gonna in 1 week, 2 weeks change the drive. So when I gonna get my new drive, then I want to remove the peel. And yes, I'm not gonna overclock, so it's not gonna generate too much heat, so it's supposed to be running without no problems. And it looks very good. Okay, now it's a good time to install the radiator. I remind you, this build don't have a case. All the parts you will see in a couple of minutes. But now let's open this. So what I need to do now is, first of all, do not forget remove this. It can cause you problems with overheating. Now I need to see how in the hell I am going to use this. I'm sorry guys. Wait a second, maybe. Okay. Okay, so I need to install. Okay. Now I need to apply this thermal paste on the CPU. Whoa, it was close. Need some big guns right here to put this. See, it's very nice. You can see part of the thermal paste get out, but it's okay. Okay, now I connect all the connections to the motherboard, the pump, the LED, and the fan control, like this. This is actually a fan that gonna blow air to the VRM, all these parts, and it gonna keep it cool. Let's put it back in the place and hope the cables, everything's gonna lay out very nice. Okay, so the next step right now, it's going to open the box of the power supply. So this is my power supply. It's MSI MPG 1000, very good power supply, and I need the 1000 for, of course, for the CPU and the GPU that I'm going with this. Okay, what I'm doing now is connecting the keyboard and mouse in my USB installation for the operation system, and what I need to do now is try to start this computer because I don't have the power button. I need to carefully find the power. I think it's those two, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Okay, here we go. Wow, it's actually the first time that I'm all this. Okay, it's looking good. What I need to do now is connect the DisplayPort cable to my screen and start the installation. So I turn off the system now.
A few minutes later.
Go and jumpstart this PC again.
Much later.
Turn on the power supply. It's a great idea. It's always working when the power supply is on.
2 hours later.
Okay. This is good. Okay. We're making progress.
3 hours later.
Okay, now I'm done to install the operation system. I'll already update all the drivers. I'm installed a couple of the benchmarks that I will be checking. Graphic card, the GPU, the most important product in all this build. So now I need to shut down the system, goodbye system, and we start to unpack the GPU. So this is my GPU, 4080 Super, 5GB, excellent card. Let's unpack this thing. This the first time I open this card. This card very big. Very big card. Okay, so now I update the graphic card drivers. We can run some benchmarks to see the performance of this gaming PC. Okay, I'm gonna start the 3D mark. Okay, enable the XMP profile. I connect my DDR5 7000 MHz, and I hope it will boot. Okay. Cross my fingers. Let's see. You see this LED? Let's need to move on. Okay, we have a progress. Maybe. Okay, it's looking good, looking good. Let's see if I can get into the operation system. This is the XMP profile. Okay, now I can start the test again. Okay, this is the result. You can see some improvements. Very good. Okay, now I can close the 3D mark and start with Cinebench R23. Multi-core. Start. Okay, very good. I see improvement here too. This is the score. 31033. This is my score. Okay, and now run the last test for today. It's going to be late right now.
Later.
You can see in the top it's with the this score with the XMP profile, this score without the XMP profile. Very good, very good. So I think I'm done for today with all the testing, everything, and I will continue tomorrow. It's time to shut down everything.
Part 2 of the video. On my channel, assembly inside the table of all the parts.